hand, put it on your belly. Other hand, put it on your chest area. When I say go, I invite you to take 3 breaths. When you take these 3 breaths, you're going to see if you breathe in more with your chest and shoulders. You're going to see if you breathe in more with your stomach, or if it's some sort of like combination of both, or whatever it is, all right? And this works better if you do it with your eyes closed so you can focus. Doesn't mean you have to. You get to choose to. Okay, so one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Ready? 3 breaths at your own pace. Ready, set, go. In through the mouth or nose? Out through the mouth or nose? Okay. Now, before I ask you where you felt it more, how many of you answer this question for yourself? How many of you feel even the slightest bit calmer just by taking 3 breaths? If you said yes to yourself, how often do you take a breath for yourself? And this one, when one of your kids does something that you're surprised, even though they do it every 15 minutes to get your attention, you go, like that. That doesn't count as a breath. That's more of a behavior. So sorry. All right, so ready? How many people felt it more in their chest and in the shoulders when they were breathing? Okay.
Chest and shoulders.
Okay, got it. Now, how many people felt it more in their stomach as it was moving back and forth? You can either raise your hand or you can type it into the chat room. It's either up to you. Okay, cool. How many feel a combination of both? Okay, sometimes we are not even aware of how we actually breathe. So now we're actually going to be intentional. So we have stomach muscles underneath here. I promise you. Some, like mine, are underneath a nice protective layer. Other people have those weird bumps on their stomach. That's fine. Go to a doctor, get them checked out. 6 packs. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're actually going to be intentional about breathing in and breathing out only with your stomach. So watch. When I breathe in, I'm using my stomach muscles to actually push the air out. So when I breathe in, it goes like this. And then when I breathe out, I'm using the stomach muscles, no matter how much protection I have over them, I'm using the stomach muscles to pull everything in as I exhale. Obviously, I'm exhaling when I'm talking. So let's try 3 big belly breaths. If you don't have a big belly, fake it till you make it. Okay, so ready? Big belly breathing. So first, big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Nice. Big belly breath in. Push it out. Big belly breath out. Intentionally pulling your stomach muscles in. One more. This is the biggest one. Big belly breath in. Make your belly super big. Push it out. Push it out. Push it out. And then suck it all back in like we do the first time we go back into the beach. And maybe that's just me. And pull it in and pull it in and breathe out and breathe out and breathe out and breathe out and breathe out. Awesome. That's big belly breathing. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.